Hey guys, it's me, Risa. How are you? I hope you're doing fantastic. Thank you so much for subscribing. Ring the bell option so all my videos will come to you immediately by email, all right? And of course, share my channel with anybody you know on a journey. Doesn't have to be WW, but if you do go to meetings, please tell others, write it on the chalkboard, tell your coworkers, family, friends, all right? And subscribe because, sharing is caring. So what are we making today? We're making the 2-ingredient dough little turkey pizza muffins, all right? So in my last video, we made these delicious little muffins, okay? So you'll check it out, how to make these cute little 2-ingredient dough muffins. And they are versatile, so if you want to change what ingredients I put inside them, you can do that, all right? So they're 1 smart point each. I did 6 of them with a half a cup of yogurt and a half a cup Greek 0.0 smart point yogurt, 0 fat, and the Brody self-rising flour, okay? So if you want to double, triple this recipe, of course you can. And you can make them ahead of time and then just crisp them up again, freeze them, leave them in a container, okay? And so then you're prepared if you're having company just for dinner with a nice salad or some vegetables, grilled, steamed, a stir fry, whatever you like, a salad goes really well. All right, so what do we need? You're gonna need, I bought this turkey meat from Walmart. It's really, really high in protein, 18 grams, extra lean ground turkey meat. I'll just show you. All right. And basically I took about a cup of it after I just pan fry it. And I like to just add some onion powder, a little bit of taco seasoning, some garlic powder, a little bit of oregano or Italian seasoning, some Frank's hot sauce. I'm just looking at what I have here, and some chili. And you can season your meat up however you like, but that's how I like it, with lots of flavor, okay? So I didn't want to bore you. You guys seen lots of my videos. Just put it in a medium to high skillet and then add whatever seasoning you like for your pizza. And the other thing that I do, of course, is I like grilled vegetables. You want to put in fresh vegetables, why not? But this gives it so much flavor. I use a Vidalia onion and I put in my favorite veggies, and you can do that or whatever you have in your house. So I had mushrooms and I had orange peppers and I had some broccoli. You can put in zucchini, asparagus, whatever you like, okay? This recipe is versatile. Even with the protein, you don't want to use turkey and you want to use chicken or you want to use beef, but if you're on WW, account for the beef, okay? So this is 0 smart points, and I'm using this pizza sauce, and I used half the amount, so it is 1/8 of 2 tablespoons I used for 1 smart point, and you can use your own marinera if you like. And the other thing I use is either I use mozzarella, Saputo light mozzarella. You can use that. A 1/3 cup is 3 smart points. But for 3 tablespoons of the Zerto is 2 smart points. I know. I try to find lower options, but you can find whatever low-fat, fat-free cheese that you like, okay? And if you want, you could add some turkey pepperoni. I cut mine up really, really tiny. I only put in a couple, so I don't have to count it. And I like black olives, and a tablespoon is 0, okay? So again, versatile, whatever you like. And so I bake these for 20 minutes, okay, at 375. You'll see my other video, all right? And then you just assemble, okay? So again, you do what you want. And basically for 6 of them, I would say maybe, like, it depends how much meat, but probably half this amount. So maybe a half a cup I am going to be doing more because I'm baking another 6 so that I have lots for a few days. When you make lots, unless you're having company, okay, and you're sharing, that's what you do. So basically, I'm going to just take my sauce, take my little brush, and put it in. Okay, and you may not even need an 1/8 of a cup. All right, and maybe it'll be 0 smart points, which will be less because I don't even think I'll need all of this. So maybe an 1/8 for 12, okay, or 2. Actually, I think it was just 2 tablespoons, right? I change it up, but even an 1/8 is about 2 tablespoons. So I put the sauce in. I'm just going to show you, okay? And then I'm going to assemble. I'm going to add some veggies, just a little bit in each. My little pizza cups. I'll just use my hands because I'm eating it. Nobody else is. And if you want, you can even mix the meat with the veggies yourself. Add the vegetables, add the meat next or whatever. There's no rule how you want to do it. Okay, so I'm just going to add the meat next. You don't need much of the turkey meat. And if you want just all turkey meat, you can do that. Or if you want just all veggies, you can do that. Okay, so I'll add some of my cheese. And in fact, I don't even think you're going to need that much cheese. Maybe even a tablespoon because they're really tiny. So I'm guessing that maybe 1 smart point for the cheese because I'm not even putting much on, okay? And I still have half left. So I'm thinking 1 smart point. And it's 1 smart point each for the muffins. And then you're going to count, you're not going to count the sauce because I used half of it for 1 tablespoon, maybe, not even. And the cheese, one smart point. So these are probably going to be 1 smart point each. I'm going to add a few olives. And because everything except the cheese is cooked, you just need to put it on for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. And I'm going to add a little bit of the pepperonis and their turkey meat, turkey pepperonis. Okay, I'll put a few more olives on to make it look super cute. And we'll put them in the oven, okay, and bake them probably for about 15 minutes at, I would say, 350 until everything, until the cheese is melted. So again, it's versatile. You can use whatever protein. And this is probably going to come to, I would say, 7 smart points for all of this. So 1 smart point each. How about that? Not bad, right? So you could eat all of them for dinner and enjoy. All right. And I'll be back to show you what they look like when they are cooked. Okay. Stay tuned. Guys, so I'm back and here they are. Dun, da, da, da. And I made some steamed asparagus and broccoli. You can make a nice salad, a stir fry, grilled vegetables, baked vegetables, roasted vegetables. And here they are. So super delicious. The cheese is melted. You can also, if you want to just put it on broil at the end for a couple of minutes or a minute, just keep an eye because when you broil, you know that it can burn very quickly. So this is my dinner. I'm probably going to add a few more on because, seriously, for 1 smart point, yum. The rest are in the tray. I'll just show you. So just take them out carefully. Here's the others that are right here. And I use a little butter knife to take them out. And just be careful. They are hot and yummy. All right. I hope you love this video. Please comment, like, share with other people, subscribe, ring the bell. All right. Mwah. Bye for now. Yummy, yummy dinner. Or listen, you can have it for lunch too. Why not? Take care, guys.